Okay, so the cats haven't seen this yet, so we're going to introduce them to it right now. Aren't we, baby Vicky? Come here. What's this? What do you think, Chewy? What do you think? What's the matter, baby? It's my new kitty. Oh, look at that kitty. Look at that kitty. Want to come see the kitty? Come see the kitty. Dum, 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 dum. What's the matter? Don't you like him? You don't like the kitty? Come here. Daddy won't move him. You can check him out. I'll give him kisses. Give that kitty kisses. Or smacks in the head, that works too. Don't you like him? Isn't he cute? Do you realize he's fake? Did you figure it out yet? Figure it all out. What do you think, Chewy? If I move him just a little bit. Give him kitty kisses. Kitty kisses. Give kitty kisses. Kitty kisses. Well, that was fun.